بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
عَمَّ يَتَسَاءَلُونَ.
About what are they asking one another?
عَنِ النَّبَإِ الْعَظِيمِ.
About the great news,
الَّذِي هُمْ فِيهِ مُخْتَلِفُونَ.
that over which they are in disagreement.
كَلَّا سَيَعْلَمُونَ.
No, they are going to know.
ثُمَّ كَلَّا سَيَعْلَمُونَ.
Then no, they are going to know.
أَلَمْ نَجْعَلِ الْأَرْضَ مِهَادًا.
Have we not made the earth a resting place,
وَالْجِبَالَ أَوْتَادًا.
and the mountains as stakes?
وَخَلَقْنَاكُمْ أَزْوَاجًا.
And we created you in pairs,
وَجَعَلْنَا نَوْمَكُمْ سُبَاتًا.
and made your sleep a means for rest,
وَجَعَلْنَا اللَّيْلَ لِبَاسًا.
and made the night as clothing,
وَجَعَلْنَا النَّهَارَ مَعَاشًا.
and made the day for livelihood,
وَبَنَيْنَا فَوْقَكُمْ سَبْعًا شِدَادًا.
and constructed above you 7 strong heavens,
وَجَعَلْنَا سِرَاجًا وَهَّاجًا.
and made therein a burning lamp,
وَأَنزَلْنَا مِنَ الْمُعْصِرَاتِ مَاءً ثَجَّاجًا.
and sent down from the rain clouds pouring water,
لِنُخْرِجَ بِهِ حَبًّا وَنَبَاتًا.
that we may bring forth thereby grain and vegetation,
وَجَنَّاتٍ أَلْفَافًا.
and gardens of entwined growth.
إِنَّ يَوْمَ الْفَصْلِ كَانَ مِيقَاتًا.
Indeed, the day of judgment is an appointed time.